Lindsay Marie here with Thesparrow's Nest, and welcome to my channel, Simple Living with DIY Projects and Delicious Dishes. So I just went to Target and I shopped at the dollar spot, and I want to share with you all the awesome fall dollar spot decor that I got. I was there around 9 in the morning on a Tuesday, and they were taking out all their fall stuff, so I got first pick at all the stuff they had. So my tip is, if you are shopping Target dollar spot, make sure that you are there very early on a weekday. The first thing I'll start with is what I actually found for only $1, because we all know Target dollar spot, they ranges from like $1 to $7. But these little fabric pumpkins, these are super popular right now. These are only $1 each. They had so many colors. I found my favorite color, teal, and they had this beautiful blue, they had white, black, and orange. So here's another find that I found for only $1. It's an adorable, cute little fall sign. Oh my gosh, look how cute and adorable and little these are. I absolutely love them. There were so many different little styles. I love them all. I only went with one, but I totally could have brought all of them home. The next thing I picked up were these little pumpkins. These are $3 for a pack. And I love that they have all the colors I absolutely love. So I found all the teal colors. Take a look at these. I cannot even believe it. I've been looking for this color scheme pumpkins, and they're all in one package. And they even have this Thanksgiving color scheme if you like that kind of color. They had all different types of color schemes. The next thing I picked up was this little pillow. Now, I normally do not get the pillows at the Target dollar spot, but I thought that this was a pretty good sized pillow, and this was $5. They had several other designs too. I know this plaid is super popular right now. And they had this cute little leaf one. I picked up this really cute jute lighted cord. I have never actually seen this before, so I was super excited to see this. I've seen those wire ones, but I've never seen a jute cord one. So definitely keep an eye out for this, because I thought this was really cute and only $3. Another thing I picked up were these adorable little lanterns. These are super cute, and you can use them for so many things. And this is only $5. It also has a little switch on the bottom, and it lights up. The next thing I picked up was this cute little banner, and it actually comes with several pieces. I took a couple off. This is one of the banners that you can individualize. And so what I did is I painted the words fall on this. So this is how I made this banner. And this was $3. And the last thing I picked up are these cute little pumpkin wood stickers. I have no idea what I'm going to use these for yet, but these are so cute, and they're only $3, so I could not pass these up. All right, guys, I'm going to take you around and show you how I use some of my decor. I love how my sign turned out. It totally completed my floating shelf. And here are those pumpkins. I bought a whole bunch of them. I don't even know why. I think I just knew they were popular, so I wanted to get a whole bunch, but they ended up being really cute. I made this area look like a little pumpkin patch. There's that lighted jute cord. I really love that lighted jute cord. And there you can check out the lantern. I love how this little setup turned out. And here I used another lantern, and I stuck some of those pumpkins in there. And there is my little tiny fall sign. I really like how this little area turned out also. Alright guys, next I'm going to show you more dollar spot shopping. So you're going to see all the stuff that I didn't pick up that they had at the dollar spot. They have this really cute Let's Be Cozy letter board. They also had some more pumpkins. These were tiny little pumpkins. I didn't get these because I liked the other ones way better. They were a little bigger in the colors that I liked. And they had these really cute little trucks with pumpkins in the back. They had some wall decor, these really nice ceramic pumpkins. I'm not really into gold, so I didn't pick any of those up. They have these hanging signs, 2 in 1 package. And I really love these. You cannot find these wood signs any cheaper than the dollar spot. These are only $3. And they had a bunch of different words. Now that I'm looking at it, I probably should have picked up that gather one. I could have painted it a different color. I've seen these at other stores for way more, like $10 to $12. This is the cheapest I found them. I really like these little candles. I almost got them, but I didn't. They had my favorite colors, of course, all my teals that I love. They had a bunch of great signs this year. I almost picked one up, but I knew that I could probably paint one myself. This white welcome one is really cute. Only $3. And here's some really cute little foxes.